G'day and welcome to another video. I've already got this open and I recorded a different opening, but I decided I was going to use this video earlier on in the piece. So what I'm about to do is a quick unboxing of this Manutech soil pH test kit and test the soil here, because we're new to the area. We don't know what the soil's like. Indeed, we don't know what the seasons really look like outside of a couple of times we've visited here. So yeah, I thought it would be useful to run a quick soil test. But anyway, I'll flick on to the video that I recorded initially, and I'll show you how I'll show you the unboxing, and I'll show you the actual test taking place and the results of what it is that we're going to be working with. Drop a comment in below if you want to have a bit of a guess where we end up in terms of the soil pH. So let's have a bit of a look at what's inside of it. Naturally, some instructions, colour chart, which I guess you can use to work out what is what. Then stirrers. So these are a dye indicator for use as instructed, and barium sulfate for use as instructed. So let's have a look at what we're going to do. Is get a little sample of the soil. We're going to put it onto the mixing plate, which is this little plastic thing here. We're going to mix indicator liquid, that one, into the soil. Then we're going to put some of this on from the puffer bottle, and it'll change colour and it'll show us what the pH of the soil is. Okay, so the first place we're going to go to will be where we've got some herbs growing just on the edge of the house. So I'll duck off, I'll grab a quick sample, and then we'll come back and give it a whirl, see what it looks like. Right, interesting. So we've got a little soil sample here. So I'll put those in order that I need them. I mean, it's just really dry soil. So we'll see what the pH is. So it says place this on to make a thick paste. So let's put, say, 3 drops of that on there and see how that goes. Yeah, not well, so maybe I've either got too much soil or not enough colour liquid. Anyway, there we go. Now it's starting to look like a thick paste. Okay, let's see what we do next. Lightly sprinkle white powder from the puffer bottle on top of the white soil. On top of the soil. Okay, so I'll just mix it all in there like that. Well, it says the white powder is going to change colour. Probably use way too much. It is changing colour. It's changing to 6. So what's happened is whatever that's called, the barium sulfate has changed colour on the surface. So and you can see the pH is roughly about a 6. Still not great, is it? Alright, so what does that mean? So neutral value is 7. So it's a slightly acidic soil. Nutrients are readily available and absorbed when the pH is in the neutral range of 6 to 7. So that's good. So we've got a 6 to 7 result there. So now that we've done all of that, what are we going to do? So we've done that, we've done that. So we've done that, we've got our barium sulfate showing us that it's 6, so I don't really want to faff around with the soil now. Doesn't tell me what to do with the soil sample or the little rod aside from wash them. So we'll go and do that. Righto, so that was interesting. Everything's clean now, I'm just letting the mixing stick and the little white tray dry up. So 6 is sort of where we want our soil pH to be, sort of between 6 and 7. That means that nutrients are readily available to the plants and all of that sort of good gear. So that's not a bad place for us to be starting off this little project. So yeah, we'll see how we go as things truck along. Oh no, well, with all of that done and everything cleaned up, it's time for me to go and do something else. But drop a comment in if you thought this was useful. Let us know if you've ever done a pH test yourself and what your pH results were and what your plants are looking like around different pHs. It'd be really interesting for me and probably other people who watch this video. Be useful for us to see as well. Alright, have a good one and we'll see you in the next video.